Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Pixstar, and welcome back to another Pixel Gun 3D video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and make sure to slap the like button and support my channel, please, just please. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Rapid. No, I'm not reviewing. I'm going to be reviewing. No, I'm going to be reviewing the Rapid Fire Rifle. And yeah, let's get into it. If you haven't seen any Pixel Gun 3D YouTubers yet, if you haven't, I'll just say it to you guys. It's bad. They took some maps out. They took out the unfamous maps. And these maps are the famous ones. These maps were, and they added one, where's it? Flag Capture, Emperor's Palace, and then Deadly Game Stadium. Today I'm going to be hopping into a map of okay, I'm here. Okay. Recommended for this map, Solar Ray Rifle. Okay. This gun looks kind of weird since it has gold and everything. First kill. Ooh. No, who's shooting me? Who's shooting me? Who's shooting me? That was invisible. I'm invincible now. Well, my dog got him, but I got him. No! Dang it. Grr. Bro, this game makes me mad. Yeah, I was doing good on the game, so they made me play with high people. And if you suck at the game, well, you're gonna be playing with like level 1s. I stole that guy's kill. No. I'm missing all my shots. Why am I bleeding? Did a T-Rex bite me? Oh, I even tried to shoot my own teammate. Because he's invisible. I thought that was bad guy. Oh. What? You got defeated? Oh, I only got 4 kills that one. This gun's not the best, but you can get it if you want. I don't care. It's your guys' opinion. I don't care. Oh, the lag. Oh no. See, they have better guns. Guns. I'm missing all my shots. Got it. I have 2 ammo left. Oh no, I missed. Oh, who's hitting me? No, I'm reloading. I'm not really getting too much good gameplay. What? This guy's on the house. Oh no. How did you see me? What did you kill me with? My next review is going to be about the prototype. Now, if you don't want a prototype, comment down below what you want. I don't know. I suck at this game. Just telling you guys. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure you guys slap that like button and support my channel if you want. And yeah, here I go. I'm out.